This is the Starlink mini cable I bought from Amazon. It is a specialized and added accessory designed for connecting a Starlink device requiring a USB-C to DC power connection. This cable is ideal for Starlink users who need a reliable and durable power solution. Here's a summary of its features. 1. Compatibility. Designed to work with 100 watts plus power delivery, PD sources, ensuring high power transfer. 2. Cable design. Length. 2 meters, 6.5 feet, provides flexibility in setup, especially if used inside a vehicle where Starlink is attached or mounted to the sunroof, and you really do not need a lengthy cable. It is waterproof, durable, and designed for outdoor use or challenging environments. 3. The material. Robust and likely made with reinforced insulation to ensure long-lasting performance. Lastly, the gray color for a neutral, professional appearance. Thanks for watching.